Joy, great to see you again. Let's first welcome our guest host, Veronica here.
Hi guys, this is Veronica here. I am the newcomer of xTool. So today I'm gonna explore this Laserbox Rotary with you guys together. And let's find out what can we get through this incredible machine and just have fun.
Sure, welcome. Yeah. So in today's live, we're finally going to do some live demo and project with our most powerful laser machine in the xTool product line. That is this Laserbox Rotary. Yeah. It pretty much excels in every aspect as a laser machine. It has really high power. It has this 40-watt powerful CO2 laser cutting, and it has really high speed, which is up to 350 millimeter per second. And it has this built-in camera. It can bring your sketch to life, and it can engrave without internet, and it can engrave with rotary attachment, which means it can engrave with the cylinders. So in today's demo, we are going to demo some really exciting but also simple projects with you. That include cutting acrylic, wood cutting board, and also we are going to do the engraving glass from the start to finish. Also, meanwhile, we are going to answer some questions about the maintenance and the cleaning of the Laserbox Rotary. So stay tuned. And before all of this, let's first unveil some really special offer for today's live. Apply the code in the upper right
corner of
the screen.
Yes, here's your coupon code.
Yes, apply this code, you can get $400 off on the Laserbox Rotary bundle. The bundle includes the machine, of course, the rotary attachment, and also the air purifier. And also, we have 40% off on the air purifier and the replaced filters itself. The link is, the coupon and also all the links is in the comment box below.
Yes. And apart from this Laserbox Rotary, we also provide a substantial discount for our materials. Like if you purchase our materials from our official website, for all the materials you will receive a 60% discount if you purchase for more than $300. And for some specific materials like acrylic plate, cutting board, and stainless steel mug and pine wood column. If you purchase this kind of materials for less than $100, then you will receive a 40% discount. But if you purchase for more than 100, from 100 to 300, you will get a 50% off. That's half free. Yeah, that's a very big, substantial discount.
Yes, and basically, the more you get, the greater discount you will have. Yes. So let's begin.
Yeah. Okay. So, Joy, Father's Day is coming.
Yes.
Have you ever decided what to get for your dad?
Not really. You know, if I wanted to do something really quality gift for my father, but you know, quality things cost a lot.
Yes, totally agree. And so why not try do a DIY gift with this Laserbox Rotary, be it a photograph or woodcut or glasses, or just as small as this keyring.
Yes, why not?
And this keyring is made of acrylic plate. So today we are going to show you our first case, which is to engrave a keyring out of acrylic plate.
Cut.
Yes, and also cut. Yeah. So let's
first welcome Xu today. He will demonstrate all the project today. Yes.
Okay. So let's
go ahead
on. And this is an acrylic plate. Yeah. And let's first unveil this paper.
Yeah.
Here. So let's open the lid and unveil this paper here. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, let's unveil it. The front and also the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, ta-da! Okay, and now before we get started, we have to put some masking tape here. Yeah, and stick it behind the acrylic plate in order to prevent any discoloration or distortion. Yes, so let's place it. And after that, we can just put this plate on our Laserbox Rotary. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and okay, it's all set. Let's close the lid. And now let's
Open the machine first.
open the
Yeah, we
machine.
haven't-
Yeah, and let's jump to our Laserbox
Rotary
software.
Yeah.
And let's see how we set the parameters. And well, first of all, let's open this app. It's called Laserbox. Basically, you can do your creation and innovation here. And let's wait a minute. Start a new page. Yeah, and drop a file. So what we get today is a Father's Day pattern. It's a father, super dad. Yeah, here we got our pattern. Yeah, you can just select this figure and design. So first, let's set the laser cutting parameters, and the power is 100%, the speed is 10 millimeter per speed, and we do 1 pass. Yeah, okay, all set. And now let's turn to the laser engraving setting. And the for the laser engraving, we set 5% power and 330 millimeter speed, and also 1 pass. And lines per centimeter is 250, and sharpness 100%. And please remember that due to our different types of materials, our different thickness, we can set a different parameter. So basically, this parameter we just set is not fixed. It can be adjusted according to your own situation. So yeah, and now we turn to this page. We put this figure here, like basically wherever you want, wherever place you want. Yes, we set the thickness to 3. Yeah, okay. So it's all set. Now let's get started. So yeah, we just set a signal to the Laserbox Rotary, and let's see. Oh, the estimated work time is about 6 minutes and 50 seconds. So let's send.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
okay.
press the button.
Now let's. So yeah, now our Laserbox Rotary is getting started, and if all these 6 rings are lighting up, it means that your project is done. Yeah.
Yes.
So, well.
So while we doing the acrylic.
Yeah. While we are waiting for this process, here I'm going to show you some acrylic materials that we made, and we offer, just like this, we offer various kind of acrylic plate. It's 3 millimeters acrylic plate. It has transparent one, and non-transparent one, and also some
this
bling bling.
Yeah, this bling bling acrylic
plate.
It's pretty special in acrylic because it got this bling bling texture into it. Yeah, and all of this can be engraved in the Laserbox Rotary.
Laserbox Rotary.
Yes.
Yeah. Basically, all the kind of color can be engraved. Like I know a lot of people like I know a lot of people may notice that some laser machine cannot engrave or cut the blue one, but the blue acrylic plate can be easily cut and engraved on this Laserbox Rotary.
Yeah, because it's because Laserbox Rotary use the CO2 laser, not the carbon, not the
ordinary
yeah.
one.
Yeah.
So yeah, and you can do whatever you want and without any limitation.
Yes.
So this is our acrylic plate we are offering,
and
also we have done some samples like this, this.
We just want to show you. There's many father figure here. Yeah, yeah, we like it's
red,
green,
yellow, transparent,
and this bling bling one, and black,
this black one,
and also wood,
and also wood.
There's many father here. I mean, which father, which color is your father represent?
Yeah.
Yes. So back here.
That's just incredible. Okay.
Yes.
And let's put it here.
We can also
show you some earring. Some earrings that made out of acrylic plate, like this one. Wow, this one is so cute. Like if your parents or you and your boyfriend or girlfriend are having an anniversary,
yes,
or are holding a party,
yes.
So yeah, then you can make a small keyring of your own picture.
Yes.
Like this.
You can draw yourself on this on the Laserbox Rotary and engrave them into the keyring.
Yes.
And also the Laserbox Rotary actually can do acrylic so well, and also it's like one of the fastest acrylic processing machine. So you can make lots of really beautiful
accessories,
and special earrings. Yes, for example, like this one. This shape, blue one. Yeah, you can actually do blue one. Yeah, because we can do in other.
And I think it's also a great choice for some small business vendors. Like you can do some accessories on your own and add up some your own creation and innovation to it, and just make some money on your own. Yeah.
Yes, and this red one.
So yeah, it's really pretty. They're so pretty and gorgeous. And apart from acrylic plate, and this one is also acrylic plate. It's
also acrylic plate.
Yeah.
It actually is a light. It's from our product X Light, and this can actually light up. And but we don't have it today. But yeah, you can just engrave any patterns you want in this yellow acrylic. Maybe your family photos or your dog, your pet's photos. You can all engrave on here. It's actually really preserving.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So apart from the acrylic plate, we also offer some discounts for our cutting board.
Yeah.
Yes, cutting board and roller spin. Is like kitchen stuff.
Yeah.
It's all can be used in your kitchen.
Look at the texture. And the pattern.
At the texture here.
It's just amazing.
It's very clear, and we can see the details here. It's very smooth. It doesn't have any distortion nor have any stain. Yeah.
Yes.
So you can see the quality.
Yeah.
And also, we offer some discount for our stainless mug here, like this one.
Yes.
And some wood pine column. You can engrave anything you want, or out of any shape or any pattern. Yeah, just use your imagination. And also, we have this metal hip flask set. It's also on our discount.
You can give it one to your father. And also you can engrave some really special thing or like really memorable thing on
just
it
like this.
and give to your father. And this is not a normal bottle. It's just really special.
And look at this pattern. This pattern is what we just engraved a few days ago. You can see the details here. It's very gorgeous.
Oh.
Wow. Here.
It did so well.
Basically you can engrave anything. Whoa.
Oh, it's finished. Okay.
Yeah, it's finished. All the 6 rings are lighting up, which means
they're all green.
They're all green.
Which means it's done.
It's all down. Okay, so let's just
unveil it.
Turn off the machine and open it. And let's take a close look at the detail. Here is our keyring. That is made of acrylic plate. Let's first close the lid. And should we unveil this masking tape? Let's unveil this masking tape
first.
Wait a second. And okay, it's a little bit sticky.
It's
okay. Here. So let's take a close look at the details here. So basically, the pattern is right in the right place. It doesn't have any distortion,
discoloration.
Nor have any discoloration or stain.
Yes, and you can see it's
the cutting edge
really well. It's really smooth. There's no burned edges or anything.
And what's most amazing is that it can just be done within 6 minutes.
Yes.
That's super quick. That's super fast.
Okay.
So here. Okay.
So this is only the single piece.
This is only for one
single piece. But actually, for Laserbox Rotary, it has this batch processing function, which means you can do like 3 or 5 or more materials at once. You don't need to do it one by one, and it saves you a lot of
it's pretty time saving.
Yes, so let's why not just demonstrate how to do like this batch processing to you?
Let's do it right now.
Okay. So first, let's for saving time, we'll just put 3.
We just put 3 board here, and let's place the board randomly. Randomly, wherever place you want. Okay, now let's close the lid. Okay.
Let's go to the software and
close the lid. And turn on the machine. And let's jump to the Laserbox software page.
So, we'll just randomly draw some shape right now.
And let's connect to the Laserbox Rotary. Okay, connected successfully.
Okay. So we'll just randomly draw something on it. Maybe a star.
Maybe a star.
And we can just place it right there, and we can place it like in a good shape, in a good place that we want. For example, we want to do it on this one. So the machine, it actually automatically identify all the material shapes, and it will press the shape match button. Press it, and you see all the pattern are copied to the other materials. Just placing the position that is the same in the first materials. So you can just this is batch processing. You can go ahead and set the parameters
Okay, let's set the parameters to 10% power and 80 millimeters per speed.
Yeah.
1 pass, and let's get started.
Let's get started. Yeah.
And yeah, okay.
So it only takes like 16 seconds
16
because
seconds
we're just
is pretty
demonstrating.
quick. Yeah.
Yeah, because we're just demonstrating
Okay,
you
let's
the
get
best
started.
processing. Yeah.
Well, let's just wait a few seconds.
Yeah.
And now it's getting started. It's very quick. It's very smart.
And also our air purifier is working.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, let all the smoke just extract it to the air purifier for a second. Yeah, and you see the smoke is all gone, and we can open it.
Open the lid.
Yeah.
Yeah. And let's see. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all down.
Yes.
So you can,
close it.
because we just demonstrate wood to you, but you can put acrylic on it. You can see it's all here. They're all on the exact position of the first one.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's really time saving, and it's very convenient for some small business vendors. Like if you want to make the same product for many production.
Yes. Yeah.
It's definitely
a time saver for small business people. Yeah. So the next project we are going to do is actually requested by lots of you guys. We are going to engrave with the rotary attachment. We are going to engrave on a glass. This is the final piece, but
this is the final piece. This is an example.
We're going to use this glass and engrave on them. What is special about this is, about the Laserbox Rotary, is that you don't need any marking paper in order to engrave something on it. So it saves you a lot of time to stick a marking paper on it. And it just directly go inside it. So let's set up all the machine.
So first of all, let's turn off the machine and open the lid. And just, let's disassemble this. Yeah, disassemble
the tray and all the honeycomb and just remove them because we need to attach a rotary.
We need to set a rotary attachment. Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Just wait a few seconds.
This is exactly the steps you can do on your own when you have the Laserbox Rotary. Yeah. So just remove them.
It's very quick. It's very easy to disassemble. Okay, and let's take it off. And this one, this side. So this is basically a hands-on project. You can learn from our friend Xu. Step by step. And let's take out the honeycomb. And here you see a slot here.
Yes.
And let's just place the rotary attachment here.
Yes.
And
so
this one.
So be sure that rotary attachment is put in the bottom right section of the slot. You must put it in here. Be careful. And also for all the wires, you must put inside the slot, because if the laser head is working, if you're not put inside it, the wires will entangle with the laser head, and it will the engraving process will not be that smooth. So be sure to just place inside the slot. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now we are all set, and let's take this glass cup. Okay.
Yeah. So in order to engrave this, we have to set up the rotary attachment into this in the second level.
Yeah.
Because this is too large. Yeah.
Now let's see
how
to set the
how should you set this?
Okay. And just put it here, and then we assemble this one to fix it. Yeah. Okay, now we are all set, and let's place the glass.
Place the glass on the rotary attachment.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, okay. Now we are all set. Okay, it's all set.
It's all set.
Now let's close the lid and turn on the machine here. Yes. And
we can
now let's jump to
the software.
Software.
Yeah, so we are going to engrave this picture on the, because it's Father's Day is coming, so we're going to engrave this.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to connect right now. Yeah.
USB successfully connected.
And we're going to put this, set the gear to 3, the offset. Set gear to 2, okay. So let's put this image on the glass.
Yeah, you can zoom in and zoom out.
Okay, so the materials, we'll just adjust a little bit. Okay, so we put the image on here, not crossing the yellow line, because the yellow line you won't print anything on the rotary. So be sure not crossing that line. Yeah. No, we are all set with our rotary. We can just scroll it. You can look at it how we do the parameters. Yeah, and then we'll just
get started. Okay.
Yes. So
and the estimated work time is about 11 minutes and 20 seconds.
23 seconds. Yes.
Okay, let's just initiate the button. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, all set. And now we can see the Laserbox Rotary is working here. So while we are waiting for the glass cup, now we are going to
engrave on cutting board.
Yeah.
Yes. So can I show this? Yeah. So we know that lots of you guys wanted to know how we engrave the color blocking feature. So this image is done by color blocking feature. You can see that in this image, there are different shapes and also lines. They're engraved with different parameters, working parameters. You can see here, this is more in depth. It's deeper. You can see it's the texture is different, and also this with this shape is lower in the working parameters, whatever the parameters is, and also like it's shallower. This is deeper, and all of these shapes, the parameter is different. So this is how like the color blocking feature do. How can it do? So we are going to show you how we set up the color block feature, and we can how we engrave this picture into the cutting board. Yes. So actually, this is quite. It's not that deep, in depth, but you can actually just engrave multiple times to get it deeper, and just to do something that you really want to do. Yeah. So we're just introducing this function to you. Yes. So let's go ahead, go to the software and how we going to do this.
So yeah,
because we only have one computer working, so we are going to wait for this done, or for the glass done, and we are going to show you how to engrave this picture on our cutting board in the software. So while we
are waiting for the process,
we're going to answer some most frequently asked questions.
Yeah.
Lily, let's put some most frequently asked questions about like the cleaning and maintenance.
Yes.
Lily, put up some questions. Yeah.
Okay, so here are some frequently asked questions. So first one, Joy.
Yes.
Why can't the computer connect it to the Laserbox via USB?
Oh, wow, this is kind of a really simple thing to do, but it actually takes a lot of steps. Why is it? But yeah, you just need to close all anti-virus software and VPN when install the software, and update the Laserbox software and the Laserbox firmware to the latest version, and connect to the USB before booting up the machine. So you have to, plug all the thing in the computer and the machine before you booting up the machine. Yeah. You will know that the machine is ready if these 6 rings are all light up. It means that the machine is ready. So wait for the machine is ready. So if all of these steps still not working, try to connect the network cable, and also maybe you can reinstall the drive too. All of this actually is in our xTool support website. So if it has like step-to-step instruction to answer some really frequently asked questions of you guys, the technical issues. So be sure to visit xTool support website if you find anything is troubleshooting. Yes.
Okay,
so for the second question.
Let's turn to the second question.
Lily?
Hey Lily, let's drop the second question.
Yes, so why does the process graphics appear deformed? Yes, so
you mean
which means the graphics
is not closed or ratio is not right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So maybe it is caused by the motor.
Yeah.
Like you can readjust the belt
elasticity.
Yes, the belt elasticity.
And
if the light is too strong,
maybe the light is too strong.
Yeah, maybe the light is too strong, and it will also have an impact on the cutting jump step. And just drag the axis after turning on the machine to see if the axis is locked.
Yeah, it's locked up. So okay, we heard yeah. And so about let's jump to the next question.
Let's jump to the third question. Okay, Joy. So why is there an offset in the processed graphs compared to the actual placement?
Actually, the machine is working and we are speaking, and maybe we can come here, so to avoid extra noise. Yeah. So can you ask that question again?
Okay, so Joy, why is there an offset in the processed graphics compared to the actual placement?
Yeah, so make sure this means that the graphic is distorted, or is like when it's engraving, it's not in the good shape, or the right ratio you wanted. Yeah, so make sure the materials you engraved is really flat and with no wrappings, and make sure it's very clean. The material, the paper or whatever thing is very clean without any dirt on the material, because it might affect or might cause the machine to identify some errors. So make sure that. So be sure also to check your camera if that camera is too loose. And if there is still some distortion, please just go to xTool support website and download a file. The file is actually it actually tells you how to do the calibration points, and the calibration points test will help to correct your machine's calibrations. Yes. So
let's jump to the fourth question. The fourth question.
Why is there
Next one?
Why does the laser head not emit laser light after the machine starts working?
Well, okay, first of all, let's shut down the machine and remove some laser tube cover and observe whether the appearance of the laser tube is obviously damaged. Like, if you want to see if it is obvious damage, you can go to our official support website to see whether it is damaged. If the laser tube is visibly damaged, be it a leakage or broken inner tube, then just try to replace the laser tube. But if not, then make sure that the software and firmware are the latest version. And after you confirm the latest version, just turn on the machine and connect it to the Laserbox software. Put all your materials on the Laserbox and set the processing parameters, whatever you like, to observe whether the laser tube emits light normally.
Yes.
Okay.
And
so let's jump to the fifth question. The next one.
So why can't it be cut through when using official materials for the cutting process?
Well, okay. So first of all, if it's a non-official material, then try to change it.
Non-official materials means that the materials that xTool, like our website, sells. So it's not our website sells.
Like you buy from
the other store or
other workshop.
Anywhere but the xTool website.
So if it's a non-official consumable or materials, try to change the parameters, like increase the power or slow down the speed to verify whether it is due to power decay. And make sure the materials or consumables are flat, are horizontal, and make sure there are no other foreign objects or leftovers on the honeycomb board, and try to clean the lens. And after that, confirm whether the machine has been maintained, whether the focusing mirror is installed correctly. Well, if it's our official supplies, if it's our official materials, please refer to our support website to check whether the optical path offset and adjust the optical path.
Okay, so about next question?
Basically, those are 5 most frequently asked questions.
Yes.
So so if you have any questions here, please drop a comment on the comment box and we will see.
Yes. So how is
next
the
one?
Okay.
So wow, here are some comments from our comment box, like, okay, how does this compare to D1 20 watt?
So it has greater power than D1, obviously. It has 40 watt CO2 laser head. That is twice the power of D1, and can cut thicker and more materials and also with higher speed. And it has this camera recognition function, which can, you can just draw some sketch on your notebook and place it to the Laserbox Rotary machine, and it can scan your sketch into the computer, and you can engrave them on the whatever materials you want to engrave on. And it has this automatic measurement of the material thickness that D1 doesn't have, because it has this camera, and the camera can automatically measure the material thickness and also like the focus or something. Yeah, so
well, I hear a sound and all these 6 rings are lighting up.
Yeah.
It's all green, which means this is all set and done. Let's take a look. Let's first turn off the Laserbox Rotary. Turn off.
Yeah.
And open the lid. Wow. Wow, and take it off. Let's take a close look at the detail. Yeah, let's close the lid. Let's take a close look at the details. And you can see here, there is no distortion or any stain or any discoloration. The line is very smooth and clear, and all the engraving pattern is very smooth and clean. Yeah, like this.
Yes.
You can
and it
see
only
the
takes
overall,
like 15 minutes or
only
so.
take 15 minutes.
It can do like this large. So if you want to do larger, like the other one, like we done in a few days before, so you can do it larger, and it looks like, I think it looks more finished. and this one, but you can also do this one in like 15 minutes. And if you're a small business, if you own a small business, you want to do this like batch of glass.
Batch processing.
Yeah, batch processing, and you can really just make it really quick. And also, and I really think it's a great idea to engrave on our glass cup if you have a party to throw, like celebrating your anniversary or celebrating your birthday party. Yeah.
And you can just engrave on your glass cup to decorate your dining table. I think it's really meaningful and special. Yes. Okay, that's for our glass. And now we are going to show you how to make a block. What is
color block?
Color block.
Use color block feature in the Laserbox Rotary software and do this cutting board. You know, like the different, this image have different depth, texture of shapes and lines, and they are all different shapes have different parameters, working parameters. So how we're going to do that? So let's.
This is the example.
Yeah.
And now let's jump to the Laserbox Rotary software.
Yeah. So firstly, we are going to go to the settings, and we are going to check the box of Show Color Block, and we save it. This step is really important. Be sure to do that before do anything else. And now we can drag our project file into it. This project file is actually already designed in the Illustrator or Photoshop or any design file. You can just design them on those software and drag into the Laserbox Rotary. And as you can see, like each color resembles each color represents different working speed. Like for example, like the red one has like the 80 and 30 power. And be sure to fill the red one, because if you check the box of fill, it will engrave like it will engrave the whole shape instead of just the line. Yeah, so you can do that. Okay, so yes, so we are going to, because each color we want each shape and color, they are different. Working speed, so we can just adjust them to the settings we want. So for the red one, we want the red one is in the center. We want that to be like in 330 speed, and also like for the blue one, we want it 33. We wanted the same as the red one, but in less power. And for the orange one, orange lines.
Yeah, make sure to feel what you want.
Yeah. For the orange one, we set a different power parameter. And yes. So you can see now the settings are done. You can see like different shapes and lines. There are different colors of it have different working parameters. So here is the picture, and we can go ahead and also like we want to show it in the camera.
Okay, just wait a second. Let's adjust this. Let's adjust a little bit of this machine. Oh, now you can see. Can you see it clearer? Can you see it clearly?
Okay, we'll go ahead and start it.
Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Question 吧。你去前面。大概多久 ？Okay, and the estimated working time is about 15 minutes. So while we are waiting for our cutting board, let's go ahead and answer some questions.
Yes. Oh,
here. Okay, so
where?
Okay.
So
let's answer some questions that most of you care about.
Yeah.
So hi. Any chance you will have an option to increase the size of the working area like other company, less desired laser cutters?
So in the plan area, which means its length and width, there's no way to further increase the working area, but it is possible to engrave cylindrical objects of larger height diameter by rotating the attachment. Yes.
Okay, and
do you want to, let's go ahead.
The next one. So what size is the cutting area?
The working area is approximately 490 and the 290 millimeters.
Yeah.
490 for the length and the 290 millimeters for the width.
Yeah. And next question we care about is, when will it be available? The UK, my hobby, wants a machine that engrave on glass.
So
for UK customers,
please contact our European sales department at overseas@makeblock.com.
Yes.
So if you have any urgent questions, please just contact our colleagues via the button of send messages in our official Facebook website. We will reply you within 12 to 24 hours. Actually, like if you are just a laser box or a laser hobbyist, so you want to connect to more people who love a laser machine and who want to do projects, all kinds of laser projects, just join our official Facebook page. And also like join our groups.
Yeah.
So if you ever encounter any issues, like lots of people might encounter these issues before, so they will help you or try to give you some different options to solve your problem.
Yeah,
and also like we have our own technical help in the official in the official Facebook group too. So be sure to join our Facebook groups. Yeah. So
yeah, and our link of our Facebook website will be placed on the comment area.
Yeah.
And you can join it right now.
yes.
Okay, so then.
Yeah, so why don't we just refresh the memories of the discounts and also the special offers we are offering today for you.
Today.
So for the special offer, use the link, use the coupon code in the right upper corner of the screen.
You can see here.
Yeah, for this code you can get a Laserbox, the Laserbox Rotary bundles. In the Laserbox Rotary bundles, for like $400 off to get this bundles. In this bundle, we will have this machine and also the rotary attachment and also the air purifier. The three things in the bundles. And you use the code in the upper right section of the screen. You can get it with $400 off. Okay, so also we have a coupon code that is linked in the description box. That coupon code you can get air purifier and replaced filters with 40% off. That is still a really large discount. Yeah. So also for the materials we have.
Yes, we have.
Wait a minute. Actually, for the machine discounts, it's live only, which means you can purchase it with the coupon only during live. So if you want to purchase it, you might want to do it now.
Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate.
Yes, for the materials.
And we also have a very special, substantial discount for our materials, like this one. And please notice that all of our materials you purchase on our official website, for all of these materials, you can have a 60% discount if you purchase more than $300. But for these specific accessories and materials like this 3mm acrylic plate here with a wide variety of color, translucent and non-transparent. And also we offer some discount for this wood cutting board, beechwood cutting board, and roller pin. These can be all used in our kitchen. And also we have special discount for this stainless mug. We also have different colors on our official website, so just select what you want. And we also have discount for this pine wood column. Basically, you can engrave or cut anything you want, anything you can imagine. Just use your imagination and your creativity to just have fun or do something special for your loved ones.
Yes.
And
so if you have more questions or comments about the Laserbox Rotary and also anything, you can just comment in our live chat comment box. We really want to, give you all the answers you need.
Yes, we really want to interact with you guys and just chat.
Yes. So, did you finish the introducing? Yes. Yeah. So let's go ahead and do the cleaning parts of the Laserbox Rotary.
Okay, well, let's turn to the final part of our life.
Yeah, so we know there's a lot of you guys want to know how to clean and maintain the Laserbox Rotary. So we are going to show you how to do that in this box. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and first of all, let's make sure that the machine is turned off.
Yeah, everything is turned off. It's out of electricity. And it's pretty safe for you. Yes.
And first of all, let's open the lid. Okay, the first cleaning process I'm going to show you is to clean this three trays.
Yeah.
And as you can see here, sometimes if you used for a long time or maybe you will get some ashes here or some leftovers here. Let's just use a cloth and alcohol, just like this. Use a put some alcohol on the cloth and just wipe it off.
Yeah.
Like this. Just wipe it off alongside the trail. Just like this. It's very easy, very convenient. You can do it when you're free or anytime.
Yeah, so
Lubricant.
so if like sometimes a lot of work is done in this tray, and if sometimes this is not that smooth, after you've done lots of project, you can use this lubricant.
Yeah.
We're not going to recommend any lubricant. You can find your own.
Yeah.
So
You can find it on your own. So just like what I just did, just pour some lubricant on the cloth and just wipe it off alongside the trail.
it will smooth out the trail and let the laser head work smoothly. Yeah.
Yes.
So for the next step of the cleaning,
And the next step of the cleaning is actually
let's put this aside
clean
first.
the drawer. And firstly, let's just disassemble this rotary attachment. Wait a second. Okay. Just wait a second and let's put it back. Okay. So yeah, sometimes
After lots of work,
lots of
working,
woodcraft working, or
and acrylics or all kinds of materials,
maybe there will be some leftovers or ashes behind the honeycomb. So let's just pull out the drawer. And we will see, yeah, just like this, we have some small leftovers like this. We can just use your hand, use your finger, or cloth, or any other materials, or just handicraft. Just wipe it off.
just wipe it off
And make it clean.
make it really clean.
Yeah.
You don't want to stack the leftover here.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's.
Okay, and this is for the second
Tray.
one. Yeah, this is for the tray. And now we are going to show you the most important one, which is the reflective lens.
Cleaning.
Here we got a laser head here, and inside the laser head
We have
we
two
have
lenses.
two lancers.
It's in here, and the other one is here.
Let's just uncover it. Just take the cover off, and because you can see the cover is magnetic, so
It's
you can,
really easy.
Yeah, you can easily assemble and disassemble just like this. Yeah, and we got a reflective lens here. Let's take a close look. Here we got the first one, the first reflective lens. We can just use our finger to grab it off. Yes, it's very easy.
It's very easy, but be sure.
But make sure that your finger do not touch the front side nor the back side of the lens.
Yeah.
Just don't touch it.
Yeah.
And then you can use just like I
Alcohol.
clean the trail. Yeah, use an alcohol and the cloth, and just if you see some stain or dirt, you can just wipe it off. And make sure what you wipe is the yellow side. It's the back side of the lens. It's this yellow side, not this side. Okay? Yeah, this yellow side. And after you do your cleaning, just put it back. And here I want all of you guys listen carefully, because when you put back the laser lens, reflective lens, you can hear. Yeah, did you just hear it?
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
hear
I
a
just
click
hear it.
sound.
A click sound. Yeah.
Yeah, a very clear
Sound.
click sound.
Sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, just like this. And this clear click sound means that the lens is placed correctly. Okay,
Yeah, in the right spot.
Yeah, in the right spot. And the second lens in the laser head is
Yeah,
is
it's
here. We can
So
adjust the screw.
we want to adjust the screw first, loosen it up. Yeah.
And
And
here.
we can
use our hand to take it off.
yes. So
And also make sure don't touch the front or the back side.
yes.
This one. And for this reflective lens, you can clean both sides. You can either clean this side and this side. Okay? And same step, same process. Like just wipe it off by using a cloth or some paper. Yeah. Okay.
But it better use something that is soft.
Yeah,
You don't want to
yeah. You don't want to damage your
lens.
lens. And oh, okay. Here we just hear another
Click sound.
Click sound.
Yeah.
That means your lens is placed correctly. And also
We have another another lens here.
we have another lens. The third lens is
In the left side of the
in the left side of the
laser
laser
box.
box. Yeah, here. So due to the time limit, we are not going to take it off for you. And
we will just show you
Show
it's
you.
there, and you can take it off on your own and clean it.
yes, and it goes for the same step, just like the first two reflective lens. And right now we're going, after you do your cleaning, you can just place your cover here. It's very convenient. Okay, it's magnetic, so it's of high quality. So yeah, all of the three lenses are cleaned. And okay, I noticed that our cutting board is finished.
Yes.
So let's show you our cutting board by using the color block function of our Laserbox Rotary.
It did only
Ta-da.
15 minutes in the live. I know there's like too much exposure in that camera, so you can't see like that clearly when it's cutting. But it's the finished piece, and it's done in the live. During the live, it's only takes 15 minutes, so you can see the texture. Like you can see this is really deep here, and this is little shallower, and they're in different power and speed parameters. As you can see, we already show you in the setting process in the Laserbox Rotary software. Yes, so this is the finished piece.
Yeah.
And if you want to do a larger piece, you can do it larger, but it takes it can take a little bit more time. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And I think it's also a great choice for our dad. I mean, most of the moms do the cleaning or housework,
Yeah.
but yeah, maybe our mom would also need some rest, and our dad can help our mom. So if your father is crazy about cooking or fascinated about making dishes or meals for your family,
Yeah.
you can also send a cutting board.
Yeah, even they're not. Maybe sometimes our mom can take some rest, and and our father can help her do that. Help her do all the housework and also cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
it's a really good choice.
yes. So
And here we got a sample here,
Yeah.
Which engraves a Father's Day. Yeah, it's very pretty. It's very pretty, and I think it's super meaningful. You can see here, the texture is very beautiful. So yeah, basically that is all of our cases we want to show you today. So
yes. So don't forget we have the $400 off for the laser. We have already repeated a lot of time, but we just want to remind you that we have a coupon code in the
right up corner of your screen.
Yes.
And don't hesitate, because it's
yeah.
only during our live.
Yes. So with that code, you can buy a Laserbox Rotary bundles, which include the machine, the rotary attachment, and also the air purifier.
Air purifier.
So yeah.
I noticed that some of our fans on the comment box
notice that there's a box here. What does this thing do? It's actually a really mini size, I guess, air purifier.
Yeah, it's an air purifier.
Yeah, and it's when the Laserbox Rotary is working, it's cutting anything, engraving anything, the air purifier will automatically start when the Laserbox Rotary is working. So they are working simultaneously. You don't need to set up anything for this air purifier.
Yeah.
And we have in this air purifier, we have this filter. It's actually, it can be replaced. Actually, you need to replace if it's old. If it's like you used it so many of times and it's out of its working capability, you have to replace this filter. This filter, we actually have a discount here today. So it's 40% off. You can apply the coupon code in the description box. And also I think in the comment box, you apply this code, you can get a 40% off of this air purifier and also the replacement filters for 40% off in our official website.
And I think it's really necessary because sometimes when we are cutting wood or engraving on the wood,
especially acrylic,
or acrylic, sometimes it gets smoke inside the box. So this air purifier will extract all this smoke out of the laser box and extract all the smell. Like when we engrave the keyring on the acrylic plate, we don't smell anything.
We smell so little things. Because we have an air purifier. It's pretty crucial if you are a small business or you want to engrave lots of things in a time being. So this is pretty essential.
Functional.
And that's so we are going to again refresh a little bit about our special offer. First is the Laserbox bundle offer. We have for $400 off the bundles. Use the
right upper corner of your screen.
And we have 40% off to the coupon code in the description box and also the comment box for the air purifier and its features and for the materials.
Also, we have a special offer for our materials. Like if you purchase our materials from our official website, if you purchase for more than $300 for all the materials, you can get a 60% discount. And for this kind of specific materials we showed in this area, if you buy $0 to $100, then you can get a 40% discount. But if you buy $100 to $300, then you can get 50% off. That's basically half free. So that's a very substantial discount.
So
basically, if
you buy more, you will have greater discounts. So how's your experience today to demonstrate the Laserbox Rotary for our users?
So actually this is my first time here, and I think the whole process is just very impressive and amazing. I mean, this Laserbox Rotary is very functional. Like it can engrave any kind of acrylic plate, be it transparent, non-transparent, or any other color. Or you can also engrave on and cut on wood, glasses, and
stainless steel, acrylic. Yes, and this is not a one-time thing. You can make thousands, a bunch of gifts through years for your friends and family, and also you can sell them to make some, little money. So it's actually pretty powerful, and it's really worth the price in long term. So that's pretty much for today. For today's live. If you still have some questions, please just go to our Facebook official page. You can follow it, and you can join the group, and you can ask questions there. So people will help you get answered. So that's pretty much for today.
For today's live.
Yes. So hope you enjoy it.
Hope you enjoy it, and let's see you next time. Okay.
Bye.